Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change volume on your headphones Sony LinkBuds. You have to start by open the application. Now scroll down and click on device settings. After that go to system and right here we have gestures. So click the settings icon here and now you should decide you wanna use it left one or right one earbud. I prefer left one, but also you can make it for the right one. Right now in functions, click on functions, scroll down and click and choose volume control. Then done and click done also here at the bottom. Now the touch button is located here, so if you press one time you will increase the volume and if you press and hold you will lower the volume. I will show it to you. Now I will press one time on my left earbud and as you can see I just increase the volume and I again increase the volume. Now I will press and hold on my left earbud and as you can see I just lower the volume. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.